Do you want to build strength without stepping foot in a gym? Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, bodyweight exercises are the perfect way to get stronger, improve endurance, and stay fit, all from the comfort of your home. In today's video, we'll walk you through the benefits, top exercises, and how to structure a killer workout plan. Let's dive in. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss more home fitness tips. Bodyweight exercises use your own weight as resistance, making them versatile, effective, and accessible to everyone. They're perfect for building strength, enhancing flexibility, and even improving balance. Plus, no equipment means you can do them anywhere, at home, in the park, or even in your office during a break. Here are some quick benefits. Cost-effective and require no equipment. Easy to modify for any fitness level, great for improving overall functional fitness. Now, let's go over some of the best bodyweight exercises you can do to target all the major muscle groups. Push-ups, a classic move for your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Tip: keep your back straight and lower your chest just above the ground. Squats, perfect for working your legs and glutes. Tip: push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Planks, ideal for building core stability. Tip: keep a straight line from head to heels. Mountain climbers, a great cardio boost while engaging your core. Tip: keep your movements quick and controlled. To make the most of your bodyweight exercises, here's a simple workout structure. Warm-up, start with 5-10 minutes of light cardio like jogging in place or jumping jacks. Main circuit, perform each exercise for 45 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat for 3 rounds. Cool down. End with stretches targeting major muscle groups to relax and recover. This routine takes less than 30 minutes and can fit into even the busiest schedules. Here are some tips to maximize your results. Progress gradually. Increase reps, sets, or workout duration as you get stronger. Maintain proper form. Focus on quality over quantity to avoid injuries. Pair with nutrition. A balanced diet supports your fitness goals. Stay consistent. Aim for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week to see real progress. Ready to start your fitness journey? Bodyweight exercises are the key to building strength anywhere, anytime. For more in-depth tips, detailed routines, and bonus content, visit our blog at alphatrolley.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are ready to get fit at home. See you next time!